Clara was a young, hard-working, and compassionate girl who lived in a small town. She ran a modest phone repair shop, which she had taken over after her father's passing. Her father had been a skilled electrician, and from a young age, he had taught Clara how to fix small gadgets. Clara loved this work because it allowed her to help people and bring smiles to their faces. Clara's life wasn't easy. She had limited resources and had to work tirelessly to keep her shop running. But she never gave up. She had a big heart and was always ready to help others, no matter her own circumstances. Clara's greatest strength was her selflessness. She prioritized people's happiness over money. She believed that small acts of kindness could make the world a better place. That's why, when Mr. Thompson walked into her shop with his broken phone and asked for help, Clara didn't hesitate to assist him, even though she expected nothing in return. This very quality of Clara's ends up changing her life. Her small shop transforms into a thriving community hub, where people not only get their devices repaired but also come together to support one another. Clara's story teaches us the power of compassion and selflessness, and how even the smallest act of kindness can change the world. The rain poured down in relentless sheets, turning the streets into rivers. Clara wiped the fog from the window of her tiny phone repair shop, her breath fogging up the glass as she watched the world outside blur into a watery haze. The bell above the door jingled, and she turned to see an elderly man step inside, his coat soaked and his face etched with worry. In his trembling hands, he held a cracked smartphone, its screen spiderwebbed with fractures. "Please," he said, his voice shaky but earnest. "This phone, it's all I have left of my daughter. She passed away last year, and her voice, her messages, they're all on here. I can't lose them." Clara's heart clenched. She didn't need to hear more. She gestured for him to sit down, her mind already racing. The man, Mr. Thompson, watched her with hopeful eyes as she carefully dismantled the phone, her fingers moving with practiced precision. Hours passed, the rain outside never letting up, but Clara didn't stop. She worked tirelessly, her own exhaustion forgotten as she pieced together the shattered device. Finally, as the clock struck midnight, the phone flickered to life. Clara handed it back to Mr. Thompson, his eyes brimming with tears as he scrolled through the photos and listened to his daughter's voice once more. He tried to hand her a wad of cash, but Clara shook her head. "No charge," she said softly. "Some things are more important than money." The next morning, Clara arrived at her shop as usual, the rain replaced by a crisp, clear sky. She was sweeping the floor when the low rumble of an engine caught her attention. Outside, a sleek black limousine pulled up to the curb, its polished surface gleaming in the sunlight. A chauffeur stepped out, opening the door for none other than Mr. Thompson. Clara's jaw dropped as he approached, a warm smile on his face. "I told you some things are more important than money," he said, "but I couldn't let your kindness go unnoticed." He handed her an envelope. Inside was a check for $50,000 and a note that read, "Asterisk for your generosity and the light you bring to this world." Asterisk. Tears welled in Clara's eyes as she realized the impact of her small act of kindness. Mr. Thompson explained that he was a retired tech mogul who had built his fortune on innovation but had lost sight of the human connection that truly mattered. Clara's selflessness had reminded him of what was important, and he wanted to pay it forward. With the money, Clara expanded her shop, turning it into a community hub where people could not only repair their devices but also find a listening ear and a helping hand. She started a program to teach underprivileged kids how to fix electronics, giving them skills and hope for the future. Years later, as Clara stood in her bustling shop, surrounded by laughter and the hum of activity, she thought back to that rainy night. It wasn't just a phone she had fixed that day, it was a life, a community, and a reminder that even the smallest acts of kindness can ripple out and change the world. The story of Clara and Mr. Thompson became a legend in their town, a testament to the power of compassion and the unexpected ways it can return to us. And as the sun set, casting a golden glow over the shop, Clara knew she had found her purpose not in fixing phones, but in mending hearts.